Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the factory data reset in your device Vivo Y01. So if in this device you want to do the factory data reset, like you want to wipe all the data, or you can say you want to remove all the data from your device, you can do this by the way as I will show you in this video. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the factory data reset in your device. Let's watch the video.